Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover Call of Duty mobile account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, once you're on the login page of COD Mobile, you'll see multiple login options. To begin, simply tap on the Call of Duty login option. You'll then be asked to enter your password. If you've forgotten it, just tap on the Forgot Password button. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address linked to your COD Mobile account. Once you provide your email, you'll be redirected to a page showing a link. This is the official Activision password recovery link. You can click this link to reset your password and recover your account. However, if you've also lost access to your email address, there's another way. Go back to the login page and try tapping on the Facebook login option. If your COD mobile account was linked to Facebook, you can recover it through that method. Now, if your Facebook account was deleted or hacked, then your best option is to contact the Activision support team. They might be able to help recover your account if you can provide enough details about your gameplay history, device, and account. But one important thing to remember, if you were playing as a guest, then unfortunately, you can't recover your guest account on another device. Guest accounts are only stored locally and are not recoverable once lost. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover Call of Duty mobile account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.